Hello everybody, welcome to the magical world of art and craft. So today I'm going to show you how to make sand stress balls. Things you'll need is some balloons, scissor and a bottle of sand. So first step is to fill the bottle halfway up with sand, not fully. Then take one of your balloon and tie it on the bottle. Now tilt it and squeeze its back. The balloon will slowly fill up, and now take your balloon and tie it. So it would look something like this. Next step is to take a balloon, another balloon, and cut off its end and start, and then take it and put it on this balloon, the ones we filled with sand. So to make sure it does not leak. You can use two for extra protection. So now we are done. You can, I think it's two are enough. So now you all are done, and your sand stress ball is ready. The extra protection will make sure it does not pop, so no mess to clean up. So I hope so you enjoyed this video. Please like and share this video, and yeah, please subscribe. Thank you.